So
Please.
I wanted to ask you to elaborate on your definition of secularism. Is it the absence of religion in the state, or the civil equality of religion within the state? And I specifically wanted you to apply this definition to the Uniform Civil Code, because that is a very important topic in India today. And how would, if Congress did achieve a majority in the parliament, how would Congress go about reforming and creating their own Uniform Civil Code if they do want one?
Look,
Thank you.
The basic idea is respecting people's perspectives, okay? And believing that all Indian citizens have a unique and different perspective, and they should have a space to have that perspective. And that includes religion, it includes language, it includes the clothes you wear, it includes the food you eat, it includes everything, right? BJP is proposing a uniform civil code. We haven't seen it. We have no idea what they're talking about. So for us to comment on it doesn't make sense. When they pull it out, then we'll have a look and we'll comment on it.